In this tutorial video, we're going to look at how to process a purchase credit note, a supplier credit note. To do this, from the main menu, we will navigate to Purchases and Purchases. I also have that Purchases option tagged as a shortcut at the top of the screen, so either way gets you there. On this screen, at the top of the screen, you need to find your supplier that you want to process your credit note for. You can enter in an account code or a search name or a business name. If I just click on the question mark, I can just pick a supplier. The next thing I do is the blue button that says invoice. I want to click on that and change it to credit note. Then down towards the bottom right, I'm going to click on create new document. And if I want to put in a reference like the supplier credit note number, I can just type it into the reference there. And now I click document lines to add on the items that I want to uh, see on the credit note. You can configure this that you force a user to link it to an invoice every time they do a credit note, and you link the two together. I haven't got that switched on now, but that is an option that you can do that. Basically, all we're going to do here is we're going to add on the stock items that we want to have on our credit note here. If this wasn't relating to any particular stock item, you could just use like an overhead stock item or something to just send it to a particular nominal code. So I've picked this awesome rubber chair, and at the bottom of the screen, what's very important when you do a credit note is you've got to pick a return reason. So there's a drop down box here. Now you can have as many return reasons as you want, and you can call them whatever you want, and that's all fine. And you could see that on the credit note, going forward. I just have two set up here. I've got one set up that will affect stock. So if I put this item on a credit note, it will um, put it back into stock or take it back out of stock, sorry. And I've one that doesn't affect stock. So if I want to just send this back to the supplier, I just choose the first one. I click add, and that's it. When I'm all ready, I can just hit finish at the bottom if I don't want to add on any more items. And then in the bottom right, I just want to close this document that will post it to your creditor's account. And that's it. That's how you process a credit note. Thank you very much.